Welcome back to the car collection, and today we're looking at one of the boldest, most luxurious moves BMW has made in years. So this is the 2026 BMW X9. Think of it as the new king of BMW's SUV lineup. Bigger than the X7, more luxurious than the 7 Series, and loaded with performance, tech, and presence. If BMW had a crown jewel SUV, this is it. Now let's talk about designer, because when you first lay eyes on the X9, it's hard not to be impressed. It's massive, but BMW's done a good job making it look sleek rather than bulky. The grille, yes, it's bigger but it's cleaner, more refined than past designs. You've got slim laser headlights, sculpted body lines, flush door handles, and a full-width LED light bar at the rear that just screams modern luxury. Under the hood, BMW's offering two main powertrains. The first is a twin-turbo inline-6 with mild hybrid tech, pushing out around 400 horsepower. But the real showstopper, that would be the X9 M60, featuring a twin-turbo V8 with hybrid boost, making well over 650 horsepower. It's expected to hit 0-60 in about 4 seconds, which is wild for a vehicle this size. And yes, it's all-wheel drive. BMW's X-Drive system keeps it planted, and the air suspension with adaptive dampers makes sure it rides like butter whether you're cruising in comfort mode or pushing it in sport. Rear wheel steering is available too, which helps this big beast feel surprisingly agile in tight spaces. Step inside, and it's next level. This is BMW taking luxury seriously. You're greeted by a massive curved glass display housing both the digital gauge cluster and the latest iDrive 9 infotainment system. It's clean, fast, and supports everything from wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to gesture controls and voice commands. The materials are ultra premium leather, Alcantara, crystal controls, ambient lighting, and even customizable fragrance options. You've got heated, cooled, and massaging seats in the front and rear. There's even an optional executive lounge configuration with reclining captain chairs, tray tables, and a fold-down screen that turns the second row into a business class experience. The sound system, a Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround system with 30+ speakers that will literally blow your mind. BMW calls the X9 a personal luxury lounge, and honestly, they're not wrong. And if you're worried about practicality, it delivers the two. The X9 offers a third-row option, a massive panoramic sunroof, and plenty of cargo space. Plus, with all the tech packed in, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise, automatic parking, and augmented reality navigation, it's just as smart as it is stylish. So, who's the X9 for? Simply, it's for someone who wants the size and flexibility of an SUV, but refuses to compromise on luxury or performance. Whether you're chauffeuring clients, taking the family on a road trip, or just flexing on the freeway, the X9 does it all with power and presence. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but expected to start above $110,000, and the M60i fully loaded will likely cross $140,000 easily. That's the 2026 BMW X9, a bold, beautiful blend of utility and ultra luxury. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement. Let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Mercedes-Maybach GLS, or even a Range Rover SV? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay locked in for more from the car collection. We've got more beasts coming soon.